Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best Sonic costume for boys aged 8 to 10. The Asterisk Disguise Sonic the Hedgehog Costume Asterisk. Officially licensed from the Sonic the Hedgehog 2 movie. If your child is a Sonic fan, this is a must-have outfit that delivers not just visual accuracy, but comfort and fun as well. Let's start with the overall design. This isn't just any run-of-the-mill blue onesie. It's a detailed, movie-accurate costume made entirely from 100% polyester. The jumpsuit comes in a vibrant Sonic blue, with white sleeve cuffs to match Sonic's gloved look from the films. What really stands out is the soft texture. It feels plush and cozy, perfect for kids who want to wear it for extended periods. Whether it's for Halloween, a birthday party, or just zipping around the house pretending to be the fastest hedgehog alive. The costume includes two main parts, a full-body jumpsuit and a separate headpiece. The headpiece is where the magic really happens. It's hooded and features Sonic's signature quills, dimensional ears, and embroidered eyes. The quills are soft and well-shaped, giving a 3D feel that looks awesome in photos and even better in person. When your kid puts this on, it doesn't just look like Sonic, it feels like Sonic. One of the major strengths of this costume is that it balances quality and comfort. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, so kids won't overheat while wearing it. The stitching is clean and durable, and it holds up well even after multiple wears. Though it's labeled hand wash only, most users find it easy to clean and maintain, especially important for those inevitable snack spills or playtime scuffs. Sizing-wise, this large size fits children aged 10 to 12, which works great for most 8 to 10-year-olds depending on height and build. It's designed to be a bit roomy, which is great for layering clothes underneath if you're in a colder climate or trick-or-treating at night. Now, let's talk about what makes this costume so appealing beyond the visuals. It's got that cool factor kids love. Whether they're reenacting scenes from Sonic the Hedgehog 2 or just doing Sonic's trademark spins and sprints, the costume holds up to action. And yes, it's definitely Instagram and TikTok worthy. If your child loves taking pictures in costume, this is one that'll rack up the likes and bring smiles all around. In terms of value, it's priced at $44.99, with an additional $40.95 for shipping and import charges if you're ordering from India. That may sound steep at first, but considering the official licensing, quality of materials, and detailed design, it really does offer bang for your buck. You're not just paying for a costume. You're getting a piece of a movie your child loves, and a wearable character experience. If you're planning ahead for holidays or costume events, note that delivery to India is currently estimated by December 8, so there's still time to get it before Christmas or New Year's events. To wrap it all up, the disguised Sonic the Hedgehog costume isn't just a Halloween outfit. It's a high-quality, fun, and visually impressive costume that lets your child step into the world of Sonic. Whether for play, cosplay, or parties, it's a standout choice, and that's why we at Product Critique are calling it the best Sonic costume for boys aged 8 to 10. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more honest, in-depth looks at the coolest products for kids and families. See you in the next video.